Good morning, children. Welcome back to EVS period. We have completed two lessons successfully. Let us switch on to lesson number 3, Judgment of the Owl. Introduction. Identify the difference between living and non-living things. Identify the similarities between animals and plants. Once there was an argument between a mango tree and the soil about who was greater. Their argument was very hot. Seeing the argument, monkey, snake, owl, cat gathered there, requested owl to decide the dispute. Can you see the mango tree there and the soil, the hot arguments going on between them? Yes, they both were arguing that they are greater than each other. Now next soil says, without me, where will be the mango? Without me, it cannot take birth. I give the mango its food and water, so I am great. Mango says, I give sweet fruits to everyone. I give space to the birds to build their nests. Moreover, I am also a living being. Owl will say, Oh, Mango, how do you say this? That you are a living being? Mango will say, Look, first of all, I give birth to the same kind of trees. Secondly, my seeds germinate into saplings and grow into plants, later into big trees like me. Then Owl will say, All right, the soil cannot do the things you do, but for your growth, you need water and food. Where do you get them from? Mango will say, I get them from the soil. Okay, now all will say, see, you need the soil for your growth. The mango will say, but I get food from the leaves shed by me. The soil will say, but it comes through me only. Owl, see, we need both of you. Here, no one is more or less important. Squirrel will say, Dear owl, Mango said that it is a living being. What about the soil then? Squirrel is asking that Mango told that it is a living being. Then what about soil, whether it is living or non-living thing? Okay, children. Now, Owl will answer, soil doesn't grow. It doesn't need food. So, it is a non-living thing. Means soil will not grow. Okay, children. Soil, it doesn't grow. It doesn't need food. And it doesn't move from one place to the other. And it doesn't give birth to these young ones. So, children, here Owl is saying soil is a non-living thing. Okay? Then monkey will ask, why did you say that? Both are equal and we need both of them. Means monkey is asking, why did you say that? Both are equal and both of them we need. Okay? Then I'll look around, my dear monkey. There is soil, water, and air. They are non living things. But you think a while. Can we live without air, water, and soil? So all will say, oh, all of them praised, or all will say, no, never. All of them praised the owl and went away happily. Now, conclusion of this lesson is, children, from the story we will get to know that all things, living or non-living, they are necessary. Air, water, soil are essential for living beings to live. The system in which living and non-living things live together is environment. What, children? System in which living and non-living things live together is called environment. Okay? Now identify living and non-living things. Living things grow. Non-living things does not grow. Can you see the picture? In that first picture is the baby grown into an adult. A small kitten which grown into a cat. Small plant which grow as a big tree. Can you see the picture, children? It is clearly shown that living things grow. Okay? Yes, living things will grow after some extent. After few years, they keep on growing. So by this we can guess that living things grow. Living beings need food also. Okay. Same way, living beings need food. Now here, goat is eating plants. Okay. Goat is eating plants, and same way the girl is eating food. Now here's the non-living things give birth to its young ones. Now here can you see fish gives an egg and give birth to its young ones. And hen lays eggs and give birth to its chick. And human being give birth to their young ones. Okay, children? As the young ones means human beings give birth to a baby of the same kind. Living beings give birth to young ones of the same kind. Now living things respire. So can you see the picture here? First the thing is plant breathe, okay, and human being also breathe. Cat also breathe. So similarities between plants and animals. Both plants and animals respire. Plants and animals need food. Both plants and animals grow. Okay, now let us see the difference between plants and animals. Plants does not move, animals move. Plants prepare their own food and animals need to depend on plants for their food. Means animals will eat the plant products and plants, okay, to live as their food. Okay, the animals will eat plants as their food. Now here we can, now this concept is clear for you, children. Living beings grow, respire, they need food and they grow. Okay? Okay, children. Now let us here, till here the lesson will be completed. So I think you have understood the concept of living and non-living things. Okay? Now with this session, this lesson number 3 will get over, children. So in next session, I will give you notes of this lesson. Okay? Bye.